Cooper! Puppies! I tapping my wrist on the ground. Puppies come to puppies and they come to tapping and squeaking. Where's the ball, Emma? Oh, there it is. Adult dogs love to play ball. Puppies! Cassidy! Come here, Cassidy! Let's see what happens. Let's see what the puppy do when Cassidy comes on the deck. They all swarm to her. Cassidy, come here! Come here, Cassidy! Come here, Cassidy! Come here, Cassidy! Good girl. Of course, she doesn't really like to be on the deck because the puppies all go for her and they got teeth. Where's the ball, Cassidy? Good girl, Cassidy. So 10 puppies are out here. There's a good way to wear them out too. They will be 6 weeks old on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. Okay, that's about it.